What's up guys, in this video, this is my old subwoofer. I'm going to be blowing it up with this transformer. I'm going to plug that into the wall outlet right there. So, I did get a new one, so it's perfectly fine that I blow up this old one. So let's go ahead and plug it in, and then let's see if it starts smoking. So, alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can smell it. It's gonna happen soon, I know. Oh, that smells kind of bad. Ooh, magnet's getting kind of hot now. Wow. Surprised it's not smoking yet. I have to hold the cone out. Start doing it. Soon. Oh, there it goes. It's starting to smoke now. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Oh my gosh. Yep. Oh, that smells bad. Yep. Oh, I think the glue's starting to melt now. Here's something crackling a little bit. Oh, yep, there it goes again. Smoke. Some smoke now. Ooh. I don't know if you guys see that on the camera, but it is smoking. Oh, just getting more smoke now. Holy crap. Oh. Oh my god, that smells. Oh my god, that smells so bad. Holy crap. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah. That's. Oh, that smells kind of toxic. Yeah. Hot glue in the back of that's starting to. Melting now. The magnet is too hot to touch. Yep. Alright. Hold the cone up again. See if we get the smoke again. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Whew. Holy crap. It smells really bad now. I don't know if this is gonna even go like this. You know what? You know what, guys? I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut this open. Actually, guys, before I do that, I just took off the dust cap, so that's what it looks like in there. I'm gonna plug it in again and see if I can get smoke right out the middle. Alright, let's go. There we go. Oh, look. It already starts smoking. Hopefully it does it. Hopefully I don't zap myself. There it goes. Smoking. Holy crap. Holy crap. That smells really bad. Holy crap, holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's so much smoke coming out of there. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh my god, that smells really bad. Alright guys, you know what? I'm gonna be right back again, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some pieces of cardboard in there to kind of hold the cone up. Like all the way up like that, so that way I can just safely back away so I don't have to breathe in the smoke. So I'll be right back guys. Okay, the transformer's kind of warm. Not too bad, so yeah. Alright, so this is what we have now. There's a subwoofer sticking out. Put 2 pieces of cardboard in there, so it's strongly out right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, drive it out, so that way the smoke doesn't go in my garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in now. So yep. Alright guys, here we go. So this is gonna be the transformer there and then all the way out there. So alright guys, so in 3, 2, 1. Alright. It's on. Start smoking. Oh, there it goes. Starting to smoke now. Ooh. It's going. It is going. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that's so much smoke. See that? If this thing catches on fire, I'm gonna throw it all the way over to the hose. Holy crap. Oh my god. That is insane. This thing smells really bad. And I hope this doesn't stink up the whole neighborhood. Because holy crap. Oh, I think it's catching on fire. Got the hose nearby, so yep. Holy
Coming
crap.
over here. It's going into the...
It smells so bad. Hey guys. Well, I think that's it, guys. Oh my god, that smelled really bad. Holy crap. Well, guys. Alright, well, guys, I guess that's the end of that video. So, comment, like, subscribe. Alright, guys, so this funny outro, I'm gonna be smashing a mandarin that is dirty using this bat, and I'm gonna do a slow-mo. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was sick.